What's going on, my business family? Hope everybody's doing well out there. It's another beautiful day here in Clarksville, Tennessee. As a matter of fact, today is really beautiful. It was not very little humidity, not too hot. Like, it's a perfect summer day to be outside getting some of that vitamin D. So if you haven't made it outside, get out there, get some of that vitamin D. It's good for you. I want to kind of like piggyback off the last video I made and talk about how you can get credit under your business name only. So there's ways to do it. Now, I want to preface this by saying there's a process, and you have to be ready, willing, and able to go through the process. There's no such thing as instant gratification when it comes to making sure your foundation is solid, right? You have to make sure you put the steps in place to have your business set up properly, your account set up properly, and yourself, your profile set up right, so that you can set your business up to be able to get a loan in its name. Now, with that said, how do you go about doing it? And I came up with an 8-step process to really put you in that right direction. Now, this is not an end-all be-all in these 8 steps I want to talk about, but if you follow these 8 steps, chances are you can get a loan in your business name only. And I'll give you a couple options on how to go about that, right? But the first step is if you have not established a business entity, right? You need to do that. So if you're selling a product or service and you have not established a business entity yet, you need to go ahead and establish your business entity. Register your business with the state, get your tax ID number with the IRS, get your business licenses with the city or county of where you're doing business in, and then register. Make sure your business is officially registered. Step number 1, you want to start a business, register your business, right? A lot of companies out there that provide lending to businesses require you to have a tax ID number. So that means they require you to have a number with the IRS. It's like a social security number for your business, not your own social security number, one for your business, right? They require that. So go ahead and get that done. So step 1, register your business with the city, with the state, and with the IRS. Step 2 is create your business bank account. So once you've registered your business, go ahead to your nearest credit union or bank, but go ahead to your nearest financial institution and open up your business bank account, because you want to make sure your personal and business transactions are completely separated, right? You gotta separate your personal and business transactions. Not only is that important for you to know how well your business is doing, but it adds legitimacy in the eyes of a lender. It shows that you are an actual established serious business, right? At least partially. So go ahead, register your business, right, with the state and IRS. Create your business bank account. Once you've created your business bank account, go ahead to Dun & Bradstreet, dunandbradstreet.com, dnb.com. Go there and create a business profile for your business. Now, Dun & Bradstreet is the credit monitoring service for businesses, right? So it's the one that will really, it's like the Equifax, TransUnion, Experian for business, right? Now, there is an Experian or Equifax business, and there's a TransUnion. I don't know if there's a TransUnion business, but I know there's Equifax and Experian business as well, right? So you can do Dun & Bradstreet and then Equifax and Experian for business. Create that account with Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet is the top dog when it comes to credit monitoring for businesses, okay? So have that account. You need to have a Dun & Bradstreet account established. They look for it, right? That was step 3. Now, step 4 is create an account with nav.com. That's nav.com. Now, nav.com is another really good resource out there for businesses because you can link up your business bank account with them, and it will monitor your transactions and recommend business accounts for you. So, or business loans that might be beneficial to your business. So it's a good account to have set up. Not only that, they also offer a service where for a small monthly fee, they will create a trade line for you. So that can be your first business trade line is your NAV account. So go ahead to nav.com, create a profile for your business. And if you want to take advantage of that monthly service, they'll create a trade line for you. So you'll have your first business trade line under your business name alone, right? And that's step number 4. Now, step number 5 is make sure you're processing all of your business transactions from your business account. I can't stress that enough. You gotta process your business transactions from your business bank account. You have to, because it creates history, financial history. And this is part of cash flowing. So financial institutions will cash flow your business based on your business bank accounts. So run your transactions from your business bank account. So step 5 is make sure you are running your business transactions from your business bank account that you created. Now, step 6 is going to require personal guarantee, but I recommend it, right? Because you're building a relationship with a financial institution in your local area by having an account with them. Go ahead and apply for a business credit card, right? Or business line of credit. Go ahead and apply for one with them. You know, if you have a good personal profile and you have additional income coming in, they will use that information in deciding if they're going to give you a loan or not, or a credit card or not. And that way you can have a credit card that you personally guaranteed. Yes, you personally guaranteed the credit card, but it's under the business name, right? It will report to the Dun & Bradstreet or the other credit bureaus under the business, right? Some of them do. So you can ask them if they report to the business credit bureaus. Ask them that question. But go ahead and get one because it's good. It's good to have that for your business. So that's step number 6. Step number 7 is grow your business. Focus on growing your business. You want to increase the amount of transactions going through your business account. So make sure that you are putting the work in place to grow your business. Get with a marketing company so that you can build awareness around your brand, around your product, around your service. Here in Clarksville, we have a great one called Local Clarksville. Local Clarksville has a tremendous reach. If you take advantage of their services, guaranteed you'll grow your business by leaps and bounds more than you can do on your own. So take advantage of the local opportunities in where you live and grow your business. Increase your transactions in your bank account. That's step number 7. Now, steps number 8, as you're doing all of this, give yourself about 6 months of building your transactions in your business bank account so that you have a good history going through. And then go ahead and look for fintech companies that are out there that will provide lending strictly under your business name. And I'll give you a name of 2. One is called Divvy. Now, Divvy is like a corporate credit card. You go on their account and they link up to and you create your profile. They link up to your business bank account and they'll look at your transactions and they'll use that to determine if they're going to provide you lending or not. So that's why you got to grow your business, right? Apply for Divvy, Divvy, Divvy. It's a corporate credit card or a corporate line of credit card, but it's like a corporate expense management company, and it's a fintech company, so it's online. But they'll give you a loan against your business, and it's a net 30. So it's like you use it and you pay it off at the end of the month. Whatever you use, you pay off at the end of the month. But it's a loan or a line strictly under the business name. There's no hard credit pull. You're not a personal guarantor on it. So you get that account and you're building some stuff for your business. And then the last one that I'll recommend is called Capital on Tap. It's a very similar kind of business to Divvy. And again, no personal guarantee. It's just in your business name, but they look at your transactions. So that's why you got to make sure you have a decent amount of transactions. And I'll tell you, what they want to look at is you making around if they can look at your cash flow, you're looking at about $100,000 a year in sales. So if you're making about $100,000 a year in sales and you have about 6 months in business, you have a good chance of getting yourself a business loan, line, credit card under the business name, and that's the starting point. All I'm giving you is starting points. You want to go in and get those $100,000, $1 million accounts on the business name? There's plenty of videos out there that talk about ways to get that done. I'm talking about taking it slow, build that foundation, and start increasing your cash flow so that you can start building that business credit to get those loans under the business name. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Be more than happy to give you some more information. I know this was a long video, but it's well worth it. There's 8 steps that you can follow in this video. If you need help, reach out. Be more than happy to be a resource. My information is below. Have a great day.